greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, ram, hog, dog, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, turkeys, rat, you name it. Greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, ram.
Another episode of Cooking with Lyssa, and today we're going to be making peach cobbler egg rolls. This is a really simple recipe. All you're going to need is some egg roll wrappers, peach cobbler filling. You can use blueberry or apple pie filling or whatever. Sugar, cinnamon, oil, and vanilla or cream cheese icing for drizzle. Anyway, let's move on to the next. For the first step, I'm going to just go ahead and take my peach pie filling. And again, you can use blueberry or whatever kind of pie filling you want. And I'm going to use 2 cans. And you can also throw in like some fresh strawberries or whatever too. So anyway, just use however much filling you think you're going to need for your egg rolls. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of cinnamon. You can add some nutmeg if you want. I don't really want no nutmeg. And just for a little pizzazz, I'm going to just put a drop of rum in there. And we're just going to mix this up. And set this aside for our egg rolls. For the next step, we're going to go ahead and make our egg rolls. So I'm going to take like, I want these to be kind of decently sized. So like 3 tablespoons worth of the filling. And then we're going to take the sides. Actually, you know what? I'm going to put like 1 more spoonful right here. I'm going to take the sides and press them in. And then you want to roll it up and tuck this little corner right here. And now you want to take some water and just put it on the edge like that. And this is going to be our glue. So we want to be careful so that filling don't come out. But just tuck it under like that. And there your egg roll. But anyway, I'm going to do these. I'm going to finish them all and come back and show you the next step. I just wanted to show y'all that I am going to double wrap mine. Just one because I don't want the filling to come out. And I do like a lot of crust on my peach cobbler anyway. So it's a win-win. So I'm just going to add an extra layer of crust here. But anyway, yeah, let's move on to the next step. For the next step, I got my oil heated to medium high. And I'm going to go ahead and lay my egg rolls in a skillet sealed side down. And these really don't take that long to cook. Maybe like 30, 40 seconds. Let me just do 2 at a time. But yeah, you just want to fry them until they are golden brown. And since I double rolled mine, I'm going to cook them for like 10 seconds longer. Anyway, these are almost done. I'm going to come back and show y'all when they're finished. So these have been cooking for about 50 seconds. And as you can see, they're golden brown. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out. I just wanted to show y'all what they should look like when they're done. So yeah, let's just move on to the next step. So while the egg rolls are still hot, you want to go ahead and get that cinnamon sugar. So I'm going to just put some sugar on a plate. No specific amount. And then I'm going to put some cinnamon in it. Oh, again, no specific amount. You can put however much cinnamon you want. But yeah, while they're hot, just go ahead and roll them in that cinnamon sugar. And that's it. I'm going to finish the rest of these and come back and show you the last result. So this is the end result of our peach cobbler egg rolls. All I did was melt the icing for like 15 seconds in the microwave and drizzle it on top. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste for y'all. Yeah, ooh, it's messy, but it's good. And you can serve it with ice cream if you want. But anyway, if you enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next episode of Cooking with Lyssa.